Hello everyone, and we have our second JBIM student, that is Karthik Shinde, and I'm obviously just like always. I'm gonna leave the stage to you. I'll just ask you a few questions. You have to answer them. Make it conversational. ऐसा interview नहीं है. It's gonna be a conversation. Basically, the whole point of this session is going to be so that I can understand and students can understand what did you do that helped you out crack this, helped you crack this ET, and so they can benefit out of it. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
So great. So look, Karthik, just tell them education क्या किया है, काम, tell them, give your profile.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Jigar bhai, for calling me to share my experiences. So I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, post which I did my graduation from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. I have 1.5 years of work experience, and in January I left my job to prepare full time for my CET exam. So and right now, hopefully I'll get into JBIMS.
अच्छा, तो तूने कैट दिया था या फिर सिर्फ सीईटी था?
No. I gave almost all the exams in all the 3 years. Actually, I started my preparation long back, so it was 3 years journey for me. So in the first year, I was in my final year of my college. In second year, I gave while I was working, and in third year, I left my job to prepare fully for this MBA CET exam. So it was a long journey.
So what was your best CAT ka score?
My best CAT ka score was 90 percentile.
90%. That's good enough. Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
So now tell me, okay, since all other questions are generally the ones which most people ask, I have been asking this one question to everyone, like जिनका भी interview लिया है. Tell me, सबको पता है कि do's क्या होते हैं. Tell me what are the don'ts when you want to crack CET. Like क्या क्या चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए to crack CET.
Yeah. First, I will be focusing on not to focus too much on your mock score, because I was the one which I was coming consistently in SimCET topper list. So, and in the final exam, I didn't do that much. I didn't score the exceptionally well, around 99.99 or 100. So I think that one thing that you must make sure that the mock score doesn't get into your head. And the second most thing would be to strategize. Strategy is very much important in MBA CET exam. If you look, by looking at the question, you should know whether you have to take it or leave it. You don't have that much time to think that whether you will decide इसका ये क्या होगा, इसका कैसे approach करे. As soon as you read the question, you should know which method to apply, what step to choose, what is the shortest method, and if you think you can do it in the short time, you should do it. Otherwise, you should just skip it for the rest, because the entire paper is very easy. Specifically this year, the paper was very jumbled, so you have to just run through the entire paper without stopping.
So what strategy did you use that helped you so much?
The strategy which I made was not very helpful during the final exam, because the paper was jumbled up. So we didn't knew that the paper was jumbled up. We just got to know in the first slot. So the strategy was very simple then. Just run through the paper. Whichever question you can solve it first. Leave the time-consuming question for the later one, and just run through the paper. That was a simple strategy.
So basically, like our ABC thing. The ABC
Yeah.
strategy. Okay,
Yeah.
glad. Tell me overall, what was your average score in the mocks?
My mocks, as I said, I was doing pretty well in the mocks. In SimCET, which is IMS mock test series, out of 8, I think 4 in 4 5 I came into the topper list. So my scores, it depends. Yeah. So in IMS specifically, it was around 120 to 130 on an average.
Okay, 120 to 130 के आजू-बाजू आ रहा था.
हाँ.
Okay, great.
In IMS, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Any other mock test series that you took, or was it only IMS?
No, I gave many mocks. I remember only for CET 2021, I gave around 100 mocks. So I took from almost all the providers. I took IMS, I took Time, ELC, Test Funda, and more one too. I don't remember the name, but I took many test series in this session, because the exam went late now. It almost occurred after 6 months. It just happened in August. Yeah. So I had time to attempt all those exams.
So I remember very well, Karthik, बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव था ग्रुप पे डाउट सॉल्व करने में, मतलब सो ऑब्वियसली ग्रुप्स पे डाउट सॉल्विंग और वो सब होता रहता है हमारा। तो उस पे कार्तिक वाज वेरी एक्टिव, वो बात करता रहता था, टाइम पास भी कभी मैसेज डालता था, एंड ही यूज्ड टू आल्सो हेल्प आउट द अदर स्टूडेंट्स अ लॉट। नाउ दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई हैव नोटिस्ड, ऑल द पीपल हु एक्चुअली स्कोर्ड वेरी वेल वर द वंस हु वर हेल्पिंग अदर्स आउट कि कैसे उनको ज्यादा स्कोर करना है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग अदर्स डाउट्स तुम खुद अलग तरीके से सोचने की ट्राई करोगे। तो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक सम को एक ही बार सॉल्व करना है। सिमिलरली एज आई ऑलवेज से इन आवर पजल्स में, आई ऑलवेज से कि एक सम को कभी भी एक बार सॉल्व नहीं करना होता, हर पजल को एटलीस्ट 3-4 बार सॉल्व करो, ट्राई टू फाइंड द बेस्ट वे टू डू इट। सो Karthik, you tell me what was your weak section and what helped you out the most in that section?
Verbal was comparatively weaker as and because in verbal ने मेरा बहुत काम खराब किया है काफी टेस्ट में, because in CAT also verbal took me down. In XAT also I scored 96-97 percentile, but in verbal it was just 60 percentile.
Okay.
So I didn't get the call. So it's similarly in CET as well, my verbal was weak. So I think to improve that, I think the major thing, I didn't used to read much books, to be honest. So I started reading a lot. I started reading novels to make sure that my verbal improves. And when you solve many questions, you just know which grammar rule will be applied here. It comes within intuition, which word will come here. So I think just practice and reading helped me a lot in verbal.
You also are pretty active on the vocabulary sheet, I guess. I get your,
Yeah.
I guess तेरे almost 60 जितने words थे, because I remember
Yes.
checking all words by all the students. So that, I hope that helped a lot, because
Yeah.
yeah, you are putting in the effort there.
Yeah, vocabulary
So
sheet also helps us a lot, because there was many there was many words, because I only, so suppose I took 60 words. There are many students who will be putting their words and will be constructing their sentences.
so yeah, that's amazing.
So it helps while we go and we read all the words.
Okay. So
Yes.
tell me, in this entire process, how was Crackivitist able to help you, if at all it helped?
Yeah, it definitely helped me, because I was comparatively good in quants, but the problem was that I used to take traditional approaches. So the crack every test, there were many shortcuts which you taught us in the class, which definitely helped me. There were many shortcuts, and then and I remember about asking you the doubt about solving a puzzle. You said that when there comes a time when there are multiple possibilities, so you have to take the intuition to solve which one might be possible, which one might be correct. And if we can get that correct, we can save a lot of time there. So we have to make sure that that intuition that we get should be correct, but it's a double-edged sword. Definitely, if we get it wrong, then the entire process goes waste. But
Obviously.
yeah, but we have to practice a lot on that, so it definitely helped me in crack every test.
I'm really glad. So now the final thing, apart from getting this t-shirt, जिसका हमने ऑलरेडी 5 मिनट पहले डिस्कशन किया कि अभी तक अब तक टाइम है तुझे जाने को, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू एक्चुअली गेट इनटू JBIMS एंड क्या करना है JB के बाद? So what was your goal behind getting into JB?
I wanted to do MBA from top B schools. I didn't have that much stellar academics, and I know there are many interviews. JBIMS is the only college which doesn't judges you on the basis of your past. It just judges you on the basis of your aptitude skills. So JBIMS, and we all know notable alumni, billionaires, Uday Kotak and Ajay Piramal. So definitely the faculties and the students, there will be many great students which I will be interacting with. So JBIMS, it was my dream school. Not even IIMS was my dream school. JBIMS was my dream school even from the starting itself. And now after getting into the JBIMS, I'll definitely I'll try to get the good, I'll try to improve my personality, I'll try to become a great manager. So that's the plan.
I'm pretty sure that हाँ मतलब सीनियर्स ही जनरली तुम्हारा ट्रेनिंग करते हैं इंटरव्यू और वो सब के लिए, सो पर्सनालिटी इज समथिंग दैट विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी मिस्टर पिरामल और मिस्टर कोटक को मिक्स मत करना.
Yeah, I'm really sorry for that.
Don't.
Yeah, I'm really sorry for that.
सारे नोटेबल एलुमनाई का नाम तुझे याद होना चाहिए. दैट इज अ थिंग, वो होना ही चाहिए. स्पेशली इन लोग के बैच में से मोस्ट लोग हमें सिखाने आते हैं. So that is something that will really screw you up if you say the wrong names.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay. So apart from that, tell me if you have a few tips for the students who are watching the video.
Tips? specifically, if you are in the final year, I would suggest that you should start your preparation very quickly, because as I started in my final preparation, so I got two or three more attempts so that I could afford to take more attempts. So if you are in the final year, start as soon as possible. And tips, and as I had mentioned, I was not very good at aptitude. So if you have determination and if you're willing to work hard, it might not happen in one or two attempts, but it might take 3 attempts. So, but if you want to get into the B school, I think everybody can do it. It doesn't matter how scholar you were till now. I wasn't a scholar till now yet, and I'm still not. But still, you can get into the best B school if you could practice well in the seat, and if you could practice well and have determination.
Okay, so I totally forgot to ask you, what was this ideology behind taking the CET thrice? मतलब पहली बार में लोग बहुत बार जो कॉलेज मिलता है ले लेते हैं, सेकंड बार ऐसा हो तो वापस जो कॉलेज मिला ले लेते हैं. वेरी रेयरली डू पीपल गो टू द थर्ड वन. सो आई नो माय आइडियोलॉजी बिहाइंड इट वाज दैट मुझे कोई ठीक ठाक में नहीं जाना, मुझे चाहिए था तो टॉप कॉलेज चाहिए था, वरना फिर आई वुड हैव रादर हैड अ जॉब और जॉब में मैं ग्रोथ करता था. दैट वाज माय पॉइंट. व्हाट वाज योर पॉइंट बिहाइंड गोइंग ओनली टू अ टॉप कॉलेज? लाइक 3 बार तूने सीईटी दिया एंड लेट्स अज्यूम तूने पर ईयर एटलीस्ट 4 एग्जाम्स या फिर 3 एग्जाम्स तो दिए होंगे, तो तूने 9 एग्जाम्स दिए. व्हाट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस बिहाइंड इट?
Thought process was simple. I wanted to do MBA from the best B school, and I'm since in college I could afford to take another attempt. Then also while working also I still had another attempt in hand because I had a job. So 2 attempt होने के बाद मुझे समझ गया था कि 2 attempt बहुत हो गए, लेकिन एक final attempt दे देते, third attempt, and for that I left my job so that I could give final attempt, and third attempt में जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
Yeah.
So in third attempt I gave it all, and hopefully it turned it to be successful.
But that's very nice. If you knew that to just सिर्फ top में ही जाना है, you did not compromise with any other college, and for that you literally gave your all. You took the risk of leaving your job, and well, that paid off. Like, now obviously you will not return back to that job.
Yeah, well, definitely.
You don't have to.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, that's amazing, and I'm really happy for you. And well, let's say as a teacher, I'm very proud of you. वो तो है ही.
Thank you so much.
Also, we are yet to party. बस एक बार सब आ जाए मुंबई, सब बाहर वाले, then we are partying. तो वो बात तो पक्की है.
जरूर.
Apart from that, I really heartily, from the bottom of my heart, congratulate you for getting JBIMS, for getting the amazing score that you did, and for doing so well overall.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So amazing. Chalo.